Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if it's your first time here, you are so welcome. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. So today we are in Cité de Renaissance, or CAISSE, Togo. Yeah, because people have been asking for the updates, like they want to see how far the buildings are going. And yes, today I'm bringing it to you. So this is what it looks like at the moment. And if you're interested in buying any of these homes, I'm always here to do business with you. Yeah, so a lot is still available, but like people are buying a lot, you know. They have everything you will want in this city. Like they have villas with swimming pool, large garage, like uncountable rooms. They have small ones, they have apartments, everything you want. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you people the interior of one of the villas. Yeah, so not like detailedly, but just what it looks like. Yeah, so this is one of them, and this is exactly what it looks like. Yeah, this is like a mini villa. It's like about 4 rooms, I think, with a large parlor, a kitchen. But as you all can see, it's still under construction. Yeah, and you know, most of them are available for sale as well. Yeah, and if you're interested, let me know. So I will go ahead and link the website of these properties in case somebody is interested. You know, I did not want to just go ahead and do like a tour of so many of them. I will link the website, so if you're interested in any of them, you can go to the website. You see the properties description and everything, and the price. Yeah, so if you see anything you're interested in and you want to see a video about it, then you can let me know and send me the description of exactly what you want. Then I will go there and film what you want, and I will send it to you. But it's not for free. Sorry, it's not for free. Like you know, it takes transportation and everything to go and film these videos. So if you see what you like, you can always hit me up, but you know, you have to drop something. Yeah, so that I can go and film it for you. Yeah, so a lot of these homes are available, and it's really classic, and this place is really secured. You know, one thing about this neighborhood is that it has a school for your children, it has a supermarket, it has like a police station. Everything is available in this neighborhood. It's secured. You don't have to worry about any insecurities. You know, it has everything you want. Your supermarket is right there, your church is right there, your school is right there. Everything you can think of to make you really comfortable is available in this neighborhood already, because like CAISSE Togo is very close. It's like 2-minute or 3-minute walk from here. So you know, and it has it all. It has an amusement park with a swimming pool, extra large swimming pool. Like, I'm going to do more videos about this neighborhood so that you all can see the perks, like what it comes with. It has a lot to offer. Yeah, so if you are moving to Togo and you want to buy a property in a secured place where you are really comfortable with everything available for you, I'm right here. Yeah, I'm right here, and you know, you can always go ahead and hit me up, and you know, we can do business together. Yeah, so I will just take you all around the neighborhood so that we can see more. I will be uploading another video on the same neighborhood because it's really large. It's super large. Yeah, so I will upload more videos so that you all can see what the neighborhood looks like. Yeah, Thank you so much. Please, if you're enjoying the video, please go ahead and like, subscribe, share. It helps a lot. Thank you so much.
Evil on the beat.